জাতিগত পরিচয়ের ভিত্তিতে এক সংখ্যালঘু গোষ্ঠীকে লক্ষ্য করে করা হয়, যা জনসাধারণের মধ্যে বিদ্বেষ ও উত্তেজনা ছড়াতে পারে। সবচেয়ে উদ্বেগজনক বিষয় হলো, উক্ত ভিডিওতে পুলিশ ভোট জালিয়াতি অংশীদার হিসেবে উল্লেখ করে বলা হয়েছে তাদের সুরক্ষা নিজেরাই করুন বা কাহিনী মার্ক তারা নিজের সুরক্ষা নিজেরাই করুন, যা জনসাধারণকে আইন শৃঙ্খলা বাহিনীকে অবিশ্বাস করতে শেখায় এবং কখনো কখনো তা আইন নিজের হাতে তুলে নেওয়ার ইঙ্গিত দেয়। দেন
This channel does not promote any violence, harmful or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
On behalf of the petitioner, already passed orders in similar cases. The petitioner here is a YouTuber. On 18/7/2025, Khobarhub police station registered a police case, an FIR, my lord. The petitioner, my lord, stays in, my lord, he is a senior citizen. He stays in Agurpara.
Oh, it's 53-1.
My lord, will find, my lord, the notice under section 41A, my lord, which is under challenge. We could not challenge the FIR back then, my lord, because they had not uploaded the FIR. Page 33 is the 35(3) notice, my lord. We had immediately written page 34, my lord, will find the email seeking compliance with, my lord, the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in Youth Bar Association's case. Now, my lord, after filing of the writ petition, after service of the writ petition, they have uploaded the FIR. I have a copy, my
on
lord.
21st July, we are.
Yes.
1 point
This is
goes.
the-
There are 2 points in writ petition. 1 goes.
This is the FIR. There was a
So 505 though, basically.
505. 505 1 and 505 2.
but there are no ingredients also, but I am not challenging the FIR here because I did not have a copy, my lord. But had also dealt with, my lord, a
Let him,
similar case.
let him appear virtually.
Virtual.
My lord, I have some submissions to make, my lord.
That you can make, but virtual later it continues. File affidavit.
My lord, he is not having any special rights, my lord. I'll argue that to appear virtually. And number one, and if we go by the complaint, my lord, if I may place the complaint, my lord, once my learned senior is done with his submissions, my lord, I can show that there are ingredients of 353-1, 353-2.
That will,
And in that circumstances, my lord, it is essentially a matter of procedure, my lord. He cannot dictate, my lord, the investigating agency that what procedure is to be followed.
so
It is not one of the cases. This was virtually before Paliganj police station, sitting in Delhi. But here, one ground is FIR is not uploaded. That is uploaded. Another ground is that many police officers came to my house to deliver this.
I am relying upon, my lord, an unreported decision.
Which my learned senior will give me a copy.
Yes,
Mr. You have got the copy of the FIR, na?
But I am having, my lord.
The genesis of all this is relating to a particular criminal case.
No, Genesis, yeah, no. The Genesis is his YouTube video, which is uploaded sometime around 17 July. We have got the complaint
No,
where he is discussing in paragraph 6 of the writ petition. He has said he has analyzed the order of Justice Sinha in his YouTube video. Now, my lord, the order luckily is part of the writ petition. It's a 2-page order. And my lord, kindly read that order. My lord, that will be at page 35. And in light of that order, kindly read the complaint, what the complainant has perceived and what the complainant has heard him say. Now, we are not, my lord, as my learned senior has rightly and fairly submitted, he has not challenged the FIR. So, my lord,
because it was not there.
yes, he has not challenged. So, my lord, we are in a writ petition where FIR is not challenged, only 35(3) is challenged. So, your lordship is basically looking at the procedural part of the investigation, to which my learned friend has no right to challenge. He has no right to the procedure, my lord. My lord has seen the order, my lord.
that is relating to certain birth and death certificate.
Death certificate at a particular Gram Panchayat. Now, the accused in the complaint, now reads paragraph 6. Now read paragraph 6 of the writ petition. Then read the complaint. Then read the complaint.
Around 3,600.
Just 1 second, Mr. Bhattacharya.
Around 3,600 certificates.
May I just answer the lordship's query and thereafter
Let him
kindly.
answer.
Very
Yes.
Kindly read paragraph 6
Of
of the writ petition. Page 6. Page 6, para 6. Your lordship has taken the order at page 35, Malad. Yes. Your petitioner further state that the instance 35.3 notice is being given to the petitioner in connection with Gosava PS so and so reflects the fact that the instant case has been registered against the petitioner for making a video in YouTube channel on so and so, wherein the petitioner have reflected the direction and observation of the Honorable Justice so and so passed in so and so, video so and so, in so and so versus so and so. So he has reflected his views. That is his case. Now read the complaint. First page, if your lordship has, if you're having the Bengali complaint also, kindly take the first page bottom.
Yes.
While having the complaint letter, Malad. Kindly take the first page bottom. তন্ময় বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় তার ভিডিওতে যে বক্তব্য পোষণ করেছেন তার সম্পূর্ণ মিথ্যা। So it is falling under এই দায়ের হচ্ছে 25/4/2025 তারিখে, অথচ গোসাবা থানা রুজু করেছে অনেক আগে 6/3/2025 তারিখে। উক্ত ভিডিও দাবি করা হয় এই সার্টিফিকেটের মাধ্যমে যা সুবিধা শাসক দলের তৃণমূল কংগ্রেস পাচ্ছে তাই করেন এবং এখন রাজনীতিতে জাতিগত পরিচয়ের ভিত্তিতে এক সংখ্যালঘু গোষ্ঠীকে লক্ষ্য করা হয় যা জনসাধারণের মধ্যে বিদ্বেষ ও উত্তেজনা ছড়াতে পারে। সবচেয়ে উদ্বেগজনক বিষয় হলো উক্ত ভিডিওতে পুলিশ ভোট জালিয়াতি অংশীদার হিসেবে উল্লেখ করে বলা হয়েছে তাদের সুরক্ষা নিজেরাই করুন বা কাহিনী মার্কদি তারা নিজের সুরক্ষা নিজেরাই করুন, যা জনসাধারণকে আইন শৃঙ্খলা বাহিনীকে অবিশ্বাস করতে শেখায় এবং কখনো কখনো তা আইন নিজের হাতে তুলে নেওয়ার ইঙ্গিত দেয়। দেন স্কিপস ওভার দ্য নেক্সট প্যারাগ্রাফ, কাইন্ড টেক দ্য ফোর্থ প্যারাগ্রাফ। এই ভিডিওতে শ্রী সোয়েন্সো সম্পূর্ণ সচেতনভাবে মিথ্যা ও পরিবেশ করেন, উৎস বা প্রমাণ উপস্থাপনা না করে শুধুমাত্র আলোচনা জোরদার করবার জন্য তিনি এই তথ্য ছড়িয়েছেন।
Have you retrieved the video?
We have retrieved the video. কোনটা অথরিটিকে দেওয়া হয়েছে না some data regarding the petitioner insight by
The transcript of the video.
Transcript, entire transcript is not there. I will explain part of the repetition because it is their video, but for me to bring it out, I'll take some time.
FIR at that point of time which was available.
No, but
Now,
having the repetition subject matter and kindly see not ground.
Mr. Bandyopadhyay, until and unless I see the transcript clearly, it would not be possible for me to appreciate whether this has been said or not said. This is up.
That is on the FIR, my lord.
This is on the FIR.
But they are not challenging the FIR. They are saying the procedure of is wrong.
We have got to see the totality of the
But
circumstances.
kindly see the ground of challenge. Kindly see paragraph 11. Kindly see where the shoe has pinched. The shoe has pinched, my lord, because they say that it was hostile and intimidating manner. That is the ground.
That is a part of your case you investigate. Right now, I am not commenting. But the fact remains there was an investigation regarding into this order.
Earlier matter.
Yes.
This
Earlier matter,
Justice
yes.
Sinha's order
Yes.
is absolutely incorrect or correct. I mean, this information which was furnished. I'm not saying
Information is from my report.
that so far as the birth and death certificates which are
It is correct.
correct.
It is correct.
Correct. So this up to this, it is all right that some certain issues were there.
Now, my lord,
While discussing the issues in respect of the order, he has transgressed his limits.
no, he
That is
said that the
basically.
petitioner have reflected the direction and observation.
Reflection
My
of
lord, if the reflection and direction, I ask this question to myself, whether reflection and direction can contain a discussion of Rohingyas, which is not there in the order of the
But
coordinate
the
bench.
Rohingyas are citizens of India.
Number one. Number two,
Or-
whether the direction contained any aspersions on the police force or the DIG of West Bengal.
All right, you want to, after the transcript you want to interrogate or before the transcript you tell me. Then I've got to pass some orders, sir, because these are cases which will be increasing with the forthcoming year. I understand.
Malad, in my humble submission, Malad, the transcript.
Carry on the investigation, sir. Let him appear virtually, produce a transcript. Thereafter, I will take a decision because the full this is on the information. See, had there is a
From the order. The order is a 2-page order, Malad.
Order is regarding some birth and death certificates, the genuinity of the same.
Yes.
I'm not traveling beyond that also.
Malad, say that the FIR has been registered at
I
the
have personally
directions
gone
of the honorable.
I have personally gone through my life.
আছে কেসে এমনি কোর্টে গেলে বেল পেয়ে যাবে পুলিশ যাবে না
Might be.
I have personally gone through this speaking alert. This
if you
date,
goes your police authority to the court and obtains bail you will not be able to get hold of the person anymore.
Malad,
What I
my
can-
submission is Malad. What I'm trying to submit is that Malad, the transcript is required if the petitioner had challenged the FIR.
no, no,
But
I have.
here we are on the basis of a complaint.
I'm praying
the
for leave
thing
to file
is
a
that-
supplementary affidavit.
By supplementary evidence, you can modify the players.
No, no. the
I am
date-
not asking for I will not enter into the zone. I will just assess regarding the correctness of the accusation whether the person who has delivered something in the YouTube channel, his YouTube channel, transgress the limits or not, because this is a statement made by a person.
So, Malad,
This is a statement. I will say a statement made by a person.
Malad,
The
this-
complaint.
yes, Malad, this has to be read in the light of his statement in the paragraph 6
But I have the
Where-
video, Malad. If
where
one-
he says-
I can hand it over.
that he has reflected the directions and observations. But these paragraphs reflect what he has said in the video according to the complainant. And he says that he has only discussed the order. Well, I asked this question to myself that
So
these
discussion of the order, Mr. Bandyopadhyay, discussion of the order and the excess part where you have pointed out makes out an offense is a part of the YouTube.
and part of the investigation.
Actually, that is why you are investigating.
Right.
Otherwise, you should not.
So, Malad, when he is challenging not the FIR but only the 35(3), he is basically challenging a procedural step. That procedural step, Malad, has to be tested at the anvil of the two grounds he has made out. One ground was the FIR was not uploaded, which has been uploaded on 21st July. The other ground is, Malad, paragraph 11. Kindly see paragraph 11. He says why so many police officers came to deliver the notice.
Excess.
That is his ground. But that cannot be a ground.
That
But on that ground, 45(3) or 41A has been set aside in this country if I have read it properly.
Kindly takes para 14 thereafter, Malad.
no, you file a supplementary.
I'll file a supplementary, Malad.
You,
Malad, I am seeking formal leave, Malad.
Mr. Bandyopadhyay, do you intend to interrogate him or just want him to visit Goshaba? Which is your primary aim? Well, I don't find much heinousness in the offense right now.
Malad, 41A, Malad, is a balance. Malad, if your lordship direct, Malad, them to appear virtually, that balance is lost. The balance is between, Malad, arresting and also preserving a person's right.
There is no scope for arresting in this case, sir.
Malad, that is the purpose of 41A. But Malad, on these two grounds, which has been made out in the writ petition, if your lordship directs him to appear virtually, Malad, that will disturb this balance which was meant by introducing 41A. But 502 is a
You make out a better section case. Case with better sections, you might.
153A can be given if there was no publication, but in this case there's a publication.
That is why I am not pronouncing what to give and what not to give, sir. You could have.
Well, very well. I'll produce the transcript, Malad.
You understand that is what.
Whether, Malad, there was compliance with section 173, subsection 3 of the BNSS, Malad, should also be indicated by the state.
But if he has made out that case, I'll indicate. If he has not made out the case,
It's a question of law.
if he has not made out the
Question
case,
of law, Malad.
then I not need to meet it.
Malad, I was seeking.
Merely because some conference happens in court, I did not meet every point.
For one, it is required. For two, it is not required. Two is a cognizable offense.
Both.
3 to 7 years.
So for that.
Both are cognizable.
No, one is non-cognizable.
Now 3 years. No, this one because
3 years or more, but less than 7 years.
require
And my lord, I was seeking formal leave for period of shit, my lord. Apart from my lord enclosing my lord the transcript, my lord, if I am also my lord permitted my lord to enclose my lord the
You
streaming.
have other sections you have not given that.
My lord, we
I
have
have
gone
gone
by
through
the complaint, my
My
lord.
lord, I have personally
Not
gone
like,
through
my
the
lord, the
live streaming
police.
my lord of the proceedings of
So
court 14.
what you intended to do, I have no issues regarding that. But a bit more carefully, a superior officer should have
So this is
monitored.
they keep on attempting, my lord. Their
No,
third
no,
attempt.
not
First,
attempt.
my lord, I was arrested. I was arrested the honorable.
Who called our
Oh, is
the
that,
same person?
that is the consideration, my lord.
No, that is one of the considerations.
Put it on affidavit, my
No,
lord.
I
You want to interrogate him, Mr. You tell me,
False FIR.
Mr. Bandopade, you want to interrogate him?
want to interrogate.
Wait till some time you file the transcript. You tell me.
My lord, I want to interrogate him. In the meantime, if they cannot file the transcript,
No,
we'll
my
file
lord,
the
I
transcript.
transcript, my lord. I am seeking for my lord's leave, my lord.
Both of you be ready. You be ready.
And my lord, the live streaming, my lord, the live streaming link also. I need my lord formal leave, my lord. I have personally gone through the live streaming link. I have seen the my lord video also. There is no excess part, my lord.
Yes. Leave is granted aid to the petitioner to file supplementary affidavit to the limited only limited to the extent of enclosing the transcript of the YouTube. Full stop. State would, if it is possible for the state to prepare the transcript in the limited period of time, state aid would also prepare the transcript for the court to check the veracity in respect of the accusations made in the complaint, as well as the materials appearing while transmission of the it's a news channel or what is it?
It's a YouTube channel.
It's a YouTube
Style news channel.
It's a YouTube channel.
Transmission through the YouTube channel. Full stop. Petitioner stay is at
But he stays in Agodpara.
Under Khorda PS.
Within the jurisdiction of
Khorda
For the
PS.
police station.
the police station and has been called by the
Oshaba.
Goshaba police station in connection with
My lord, Goshaba PS case number 259 of
Goshaba police station case number
259 of 2025,
259/25
dated 18 July 2025.
dated 18 July 2025. A notice under section
35.
35(3) of BNSS has been served up on him. Petitioner would provide a link for appearance through virtual mode before the investigating officer till the next date of hearing.
My lord, kindly fixes the date and time.
Till the next,
Otherwise, my lord,
I will fix that. Till the next date of hearing. Acha, in the meantime, you don't need to go outside the state, I believe.
No, I'm here.
Huh?
I'm here, my lord.
Acha, so I'm just telling that in case you go out of the state, you should inform the investigating officer. Some binding must be there. In case the petitioner intends to go out of the state of West Bengal, he should inform the investigating officer of the aforesaid case. State is directed to produce the case diary on the next date. How much time do you take?
But I can do it by Monday, my lord.
এত তাড়াতাড়ি আমি পারবো না আমাকে এই মাসটা টাইম নিতে হবে you are working 2.5 days a week, sir.
দেয়নি তো।
I am here, my lord. Always. We are here, my lord. Always.
After 15th, I am keeping this, Mr. Bandopade. 22nd August, I am keeping this.
Yes, my lord, kindly fix the date for the interrogation, my lord. For the complaint.
You send a link.
My lord, your lordship has recorded that the petitioner will send a link. That is why I am saying.
I'll provide an email address, my lord, to Mr. Bandopade.
হ্যাঁ ওই যেখানে লিঙ্কটা বলেছি না
The lordship has recorded petitioner will send a link.
আচ্ছা ওটা কেটে দিন the investigating officer will send a mail.
But kindly fixes the date, my
আচ্ছা
lord.
ঠিক আছে
Any date 11 AM. Because the last notice had 11 AM if I'm not wrong.
the investigating officer will fix a date আজকে কত তারিখ? 25 তো Monday I'm 28th virtual mode anytime can be
Fine.
on at 11 a.m. on
No, but make it Tuesday. The order has to be uploaded.
হয়ে যাবে
28th.
Fridays we have got to wrap up everything actually. 11 a.m. On 28th of July 2025. Subsequent dates be subsequent dates, if any. The invest if on any subsequent date the petitioner intends to interrogate the petitioner. The said date may be communicated to the petitioner on the same date or by or at the mail address
48 hours in
which is 48 hours.
No, in a similar case, my lord had directed, my lord.
সেটা with
But we have not tested whether it's similar or not. We have not tested.
কি হলো
I am here, my lord, to submit before you.
22nd day তো রাখছি মামলা হ্যাঁ
Well, it is understood between us that they will send the email ID today itself.
now he will do it হ্যাঁ কি বললাম
The said date may be communicated to the petitioner at the same date or at the mail address.
or through the mail address provided aid by the petitioner. Full stop ওই 22 করে দাও list the writ petition under the heading specially fixed matter on 22nd of August 2025. এটা কি রিপোর্ট নাকি ওটা এফআইআর লাগবে না you file the supplementary incorporate the FIR also.
The cases of 505 is called paradox of tolerance.
My lord,
Where the tolerance lies, there cannot be any straitjacket from.
they have the email ID, my lord. They have in fact served the notice by.
No,
We'll use the same email ID.
sir, if you have saved that what he has written,
My lord,
I will say they have granted concession to
my
you.
lord, I'll tell your lordship what. My lord, I'll tell your lordship now that the matter is over. I'll tell your lordship I have seen, my lord, the.
It is never over till a final order is passed.
I have seen, my lord, the live transmission, my lord, of court number 14. The state came and submitted that it's a huge scam. Around 3,600 birth certificates are
That's
fake.
not the issue.
No, the state submitted that there's involvement of Bangladeshis. We intend to
Yeah.
file the report
So
in a
everything is
sealed
beyond
cover.
paragraph 6.
In a sealed
So
cover.
it is beyond paragraph 6.
So that were the submissions of the state.
But
and
and
thereafter-
that is not treated in paragraph 6.
No, they are not saying that since an investigation is going on, there is a problem. The problem is regarding the interpretation of
Of
that.
the order.
But I have
And bringing in Rohingyas, being in
no, I have
DID West
seen,
Bengal.
I have seen it, my lord. I have seen
If
it
that
also, my
is
lord.
not there, it is
And there
always-
is nothing, my lord, mentioned about any mosque or anything, my lord. That is an addition, my
Mosque
lord,
is
made by
not
the
there in the
state.
complaint also.
That is there in the complaint. Mr. Bandyopadhyay has
Sure,
already
yes,
complained it
yes,
secretly, my lord.
yes,
Grateful.
yes.
But the affidavit of service may be kept.
হবে আর মামলা নাকি হয়ে গেল যা হবে।
It is understood, my lord, the address at which they had served the 35(3) notice, my lord, they will, my lord,
You give your email address now.
yes, they served it an email also additionally.
There
দেখছি কি আছে দেখি